Hello everyone, welcome to you all in this class. In this class, we'll discuss on the applications of ICT in the education sector, and also we'll discuss cyber security. So, let's start our today's tutorial. We'll talk about technology. Technology has changed the way we see the world right now, with different kinds of unique technology appearing each year. You should not be surprised to see several parts of the world experiencing huge changes, and in education is not an exception. Let's talk about some of the technologies used in education sector. Number one, augmented reality, or shortly AR, and simulations. What is AR? Augmented reality, or shortly AR, and simulation have left a mark in the world of visualizations. Today, it has a great impact on education. It has started to control the way students learn and collaborate with their teachers. Next point, AR has been around for some time now. However, through its ever-developing nature, it is regarded as one of the world's best emerging technologies. Augmented reality claims it's the best way to capture the dreams and imaginations of humans. That's mean reality in imagination. What we think, what we imagine, augmented reality makes the imagination in real view. And by 2022, it promises to help the students to capture such imaginations with the sole aim of improving their learning process. Our next point, number 2, is adaptive learning. Adaptive learning is a technology that provides learning activities to students based on their needs and learning style or behavior. Consider adaptive learning as a piece of tech which adapts tech for technology, which adapts to every student's needs in a short time. It helps students to adapt to unique learning paths that are entirely based on their interests and learning ability. Dear students, you don't be panic. Just go through the lines, make your better understanding what I'm telling, and you just have to write in your own words. Okay? Every points you have to write. Every points, if a question comes to write on the technology used in education sector, then we have to write these points like this way, these points, and some lines on these points. Okay. Research carried out on the technology has proven that this adaptive learning will play a huge role in the educational system of the world in 2022. Through its presence, the system has been reshaped as it uses computer algorithms to do interaction with the learner. These are the points. Research carried out. So for adaptive learning, the definition is that, and you can then you can write like these lines and these lines. These are the things, basic things. Through its presence, the system can be reshaped as it uses computer algorithms to do the interaction with the learner. There are some other lines like adaptive learning has come, its origin is artificial intelligence, that means AR. It actively provides customized resources as well as top learning activities to address the special needs of a learner. Just make your understanding what you understand from these lines and write in your own words. What you understand, just write them. Okay. Next points. Number 3. Education technologies based on artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence is very much regarded as one of the most discussed technology trends in the world. Due to its smart approach towards various systems, the world has come to trust its technology in its development. Due to what? It's a very emerging, one of the discussed technologies right now in the world. And its a smart approach, due to its smart approach towards various systems, the world has come to trust its technology in its development. These are the main lines of this AI points. Although used in various fields, AI is not limited to the field of education. In more detail, its existence has helped the world evolve, and luckily by 2022, education is sought to experience more levels of evolutions. It's one kind of picture you can see of AI, a bot, robot. There are some other lines you can write that to understand better understanding. Number 4. Uses of 5G technologies in education. 5G, 5th generation of wireless technology. Through its improved enhancements, just about anyone using it can get better speed, high speed and low latency wireless technology. What is the advantage of 5G? Due to its improved enhancements, anyone can use it and get high speed and low latency wireless technology like Wi-Fi. Students are more likely to benefit from this unique innovation, as this promises them quick downloads of student files and resources and more powerful networks. Suggestions have been made concerning the special features of 5G can bring to its education by 2022. One of many includes a holographic teacher who can lead discussions in specialized topics. Another suggestion is a student can engage better in distant learning using 5G network. Their education will they can engage in distant learning. So this is one of the advantage of 5G. Distant learning and can gain better engagement from virtual reality experience. I hope all of you could understand what 5G means and what are the advantages of 5G. Number 5. By 2022, the education sector is sure to benefit from the feature of automation. With automation, students can get a better chance of receiving lectures automatically at a specific time. Lectures can be digitally scheduled, not to mention through automation a better way to adopt the use of artificial intelligence is well added. That's mean what is the features? You can just line these lines for automation. That's the things. That's the points and what you understand about these points. Read this and write in your own words, 2 to 3 lines. That's it. Number 6. Competency-based education. In 2022, people should expect competency-based education to be playing a vital role in the system of education. Through this special technology, students get to be matched with learning activities that are designed for their level of learning ability. That means students will be matched to competency-based education means suppose a student has the capability of learning few things based on AI, then the education system will the application, the system will generate some education in material related to AI to him. That means based on the level of learning ability, the activities will be matched to their students and it will be designed for them, for their students. That's how the students will get the best possible learning for him or her. In more detail, competency-based education provides a means for students to advance their learning experiences based on their ability to master a skill. That's mean through competency-based education, students can get the advantage of increasing their learning experience to master a certain skill. This allows students to learn at their own pace regardless of the environment. What is environment? That doesn't concern. The thing is concerned is your learning ability. Okay, and what are the activities are given, designed for you to learn. That's the main thing here. Number 7, and the last point of this tutorial. Learning analytics. Learning is a very broad process and requires efficient tracking and analyzing to better understand results. Analytics means analysis. How to learn analytics, how to do analysis. That's the main thing. It's a broad process, learning, and requires efficient tracking and analyzing to better understand results. As an emerging technology, learning analytics is now being used by teachers to better record the learning behavior of the students. This is the main points, key points of this learning analytics point. Another unique benefit of keeping track of student learning rates and behavior is the most teachers will stand the chance of providing targeted improvements to courses. That means they can keep track of student learning rates and behavior, how much the students are learning, and what is the rate and behaviors of them. And teacher can take can improve their courses so that the students can get better learning. The ratio can get higher. In education, improvement is a very important factor that aids the learning experience of every student. This is what learning analytics can help teachers deliver to their students. Based on the analytics, teachers can improve their courses and curriculum so that the students can get better learning. Luckily, by 2022, this will become a majorly used technology. So that's all about today's tutorial. Thank you so much for joining in this lesson, and see you in the upcoming lesson. Allah Hafiz.